So I just want to show you firstly how to actually install the Wi-Fi module into the G3 series device. All you'll need is the Wi-Fi module itself and a Phillips head screwdriver. So on the base of the device, you have in the center this little tab. So just unscrew that one. Tab comes right out. And then you'll see this is a USB port here. So just line it up with the USB port on the inside. Push the module down until it clicks in all the way. And then place that cover tab back on and screw it into place. So once that module is in place, you jump on to the device interface. It may take maybe 20 or 30 seconds for it to register, but you come into here, so into the basic settings menu here on the screen. Basic settings, scroll down, and then you'll see the Wi-Fi option. Click into that one. You'll get a list of the local routers that are available. So basically the patient just selects their home Wi-Fi router, puts in their password like they would, like I said, connect their phone or their television. Press enter down here, and then that'll connect to their home Wi-Fi. Now, if they don't have Wi-Fi, or if you're having trouble connecting in the clinic when you're first setting up a patient, you can hotspot to a phone, and it'll pick up your phone as well, so you can just link that device and make sure that it is uploading data successfully to the portal.